Okay guys, so we are going to talk about the final variables. As we saw before, that final variables are the one that will not be able to change the values, that you will not be able to change the values in this case. So what we are going to do is I'm just going to write here final and any data type of your choice, and then all of them will be uppercase because the variable for final are going to be uppercase. This is a convention in Java, and the value that I want to give is 45.47 for suppose. And if I want to change the value here, let's say I change the value from 45 to 85, that will not be allowed because you see the compiler is saying that it cannot assign a value to a final variable value. Why? Because it is final, it will not be changed here. So if I just remove the final keyword from it, then yes, then it will be allowed. But if I just write here final like that, and then it will not be allowed to change the values.